When we found out that Groundworks also purchased Bedlam Foundation Repair, we were very excited. We know that Jack and his team at Bedlam have been doing it the right way for quite a while, so it brings nothing but quality and value to the table.
The first time that we knew that Metro was going to be joining Groundworks with us, we were super excited. Our family grew overnight, and now we can work together as a team, have more resources, and with the Groundworks brand backing our great companies, we're going to dominate Oklahoma.
So I love the marketplace, I love getting into Oklahoma, but I really love the opportunity to continue what we've always done at Groundworks. Build careers, build owners, build professions for the great men and women of this industry.
This opportunity is life-changing for each one of you and for your families.
A unified team that will now be able to serve not only just Tulsa or just Stillwater, but Oklahoma City as well, and the entire state.